Welcome to Matuse's kitchen. Today we are making a cozy cauliflower and sweet pea soup, packed with a variety of amazing vegetables that make it not only healthy but surprisingly delicious. For this soup it's better to use frozen or fresh sweet peas. Let's start by making a fragrant vegetable broth. I've rinsed and added the leftover stems from greens like dill, parsley and cilantro, the parts that we usually trim and discard, but these stems are full of flavor and make a fantastic broth. While the greens are simmering, let's chop the vegetables. Dice the potatoes into small cubes and place them in water to prevent them from darkening. Next, slice the leek into thin rings. Leeks have a sweeter and more subtle flavor compared to onions, adding a delicate touch to the soup. Sweet bell pepper is another key ingredient, so let's chop it up too. For more aroma, we'll add garlic and celery. And of course, carrots. Carrots are a staple in many Ukrainian soups, adding that distinct flavor and natural sweetness. So we'll chop half of a large carrot into small cubes as well. Next, we'll separate the cauliflower into florets and break them into smaller pieces. Cauliflower is a fantastic addition to the soup. It makes it heartier and more filling, with a tender texture. Also, it's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making it a healthy boost to the dish. And now it's time to remove the greens from the broth and add the chopped potatoes, bay leaf and peppercorns. Toss the leek, bell pepper and garlic into the preheated skillet. Let them roast for 5 minutes. Sprinkle in some coriander and drop in a piece of butter for an extra burst of flavor. Well, now it's time to combine all the vegetables into the soup. Your kitchen will be filled with a delicious, mouth-watering aroma. Don't forget to add salt and black pepper. 1 tablespoon of salt should be enough. And a few final steps. Chop the fresh dill, cilantro and tofu. Tofu is optional, but since our soup is vegetarian, I decided to add some protein to it. Stir them into the soup too, cover with a lid, and let the soup simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, turn up the heat and let the soup rest for a bit to allow all the flavors to melt. It's such a joy to serve this soup. It looks and tastes incredible. Your family and friends will be delighted. Add a dollop of sour cream to balance the sweetness, and it will be perfection. Bon appetit! Enjoy! Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!